Good morning children. Welcome to science class. Today in this video we are going to do the textbook exercise part of chapter 2. May I know the name of the chapter? So I hope you all remembered, right? That is living with family. Okay. All of you take out your EVS textbook and open page number 19. Now let's get started. Children, this is page number 19. Here you can see. Now this is the exercise part of chapter 2, that is living with family. Here observe clearly A we are doing, that is fill in the blanks. We have 5 fill in the blanks and each fill in the blank you have 2 options and you need to choose the right one. Now here I have mentioned answer. I have written answer with red color. You need to write with pencil in your textbook. Okay children, now read along with me the first one. The brother of your mother or father is called your uncle. Okay. So who is aunt? The sister. Instead of brother, if you get sister here, the sister of your mother or father is called your aunt. Clear? The brother of your mother or father is called uncle. The sister of your mother or father is called aunt. Now let us see the second one. We celebrate dash festivals in India. Many or no festivals. It is not no festivals. It is many festivals. Because India is land of festivals. So we celebrate so many festivals and we divided festivals into 3 different parts as we discussed earlier. So all the festivals are divided into 3 types here: religious festivals, harvest festivals and national festivals. So religious festivals comes under Diwali, Eid, Guru Purab and Christmas. Whereas harvest festivals comes under Pongal, Onam, Bihu, Lohri. Correct? And some are the important days of India. We celebrate them as festivals. So what are they? Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, okay, Independence Day. These are comes under national festivals. So what are harvest festivals, children? What do you mean by harvest? Harvest is the time of the year when farmers gather their ripe crops. So that is called harvest. Clear children? So in India we celebrate many festivals. Next, the third one, Eid is a dash festival. Eid is a religious festival. So, okay. So Muslims will celebrate Eid. Okay. So that is called Eid. So what is Eid? Comes under Ramjan. Okay. Ramjan, it is a Eid for Muslims. So it is a religious festival. Harvest festivals or the time. What is harvest, children? Harvest is the time of the year when farmers gather their ripe crops. Is it clear? Now let's go on with fourth one. Fourth one, we decorate a Christmas tree during dash Christmas or Eid. So we all know this very well because we celebrate Christmas even in our school. So you are aware of it, I hope. So during Christmas we decorate Christmas tree. So in which month Christmas will come, children? In the month of December. In the month of December. On which date? It is on 25th of December. So how do we decorate Christmas tree? So with the help of lights, okay, stars, with so many things we can decorate Christmas tree. So we decorate a Christmas tree during Christmas. When is Christmas? 25th of December. So it is not Eid, it is Christmas. Next, the fifth one, we celebrate Dash Jayanti on 2nd of October every year. Okay. So is that Gandhi Jayanti or Nehru Jayanti? So it is not Nehru Jayanti, it is Gandhi Jayanti. What do you mean by Jayanti? That is the birth date of Gandhi ji. He is father of our nation. So on remembrance of him, so we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. Okay. Gandhi Jayanti is nothing but the birth date of Gandhi. Okay, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. So when is his birthday? 2nd October. So every year 2nd October we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. So read once again. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. So it is not Nehru Jayanti, it is Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, next go ahead with B, that is right, T for true or F for false. Here you have boxes. So for each one you need to write whether it is true. Each sentence you need to read and you need to write. If it is true, write T. If it is false, write F. Okay, read the first one. All families are small. No. So all the families are not small. So there are the families, okay, different segregations are there. Small family, okay, extended family. When we have so many families, see, joint family. So all the families are not small. Okay. An extended family has only parents and their children. Is it true? It is not true. It is false. Because extended family is a family. Okay. There are parents, grandparents and siblings and there are many other members. So like aunt, uncle, cousins. So these everybody will come under extended family. So it is a joint family. Okay. An extended family has parents, their children, grandparents, uncles, aunts, their cousins, everybody live together. Okay, live together. So it is called extended family. So it is false, right? F. Next, the third one, Diwali is the festival of lights. Correct? Yes, it is right. Because on Diwali day, we will do puja of goddess Lakshmi and Ganesha and we light up so many diyas during Diwali. So Diwali is called the festival of lights. It is true, right? T. Next, fourth one, Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Next one, we celebrate Independence Day on 26th January. Correct? So this is also correct, children. Next, answer the following questions. Here we have 3 questions. Answers are already sent. I hope you have copied in your classwork. Just write along with me. Open your classwork and read along with me once. So now let us read. Okay, read along with me. Answer the following. The first one, What is a nuclear family? Question mark. Answer: a small family in which parents and their children live together is known as nuclear family. So what is nuclear family? Nuclear family is a small family in which parents and their children live together is known as nuclear family. Next, the second one. What is an extended family? Question mark. Now, let us read the answer. An extended family is a group of people including parents, children, uncles, aunts, grandparents and cousins. Okay. So, extended family is also called a joint family. So, in this who will live together? There are group of people in that who will include parents and their children, uncles, aunts, grandparents and cousins. Clear? Next, read the third one. What are harvest festivals? Question mark. Give 3 examples. Answer: harvest festival is a time of the year when farmers gather their ripe crops from the fields and sell them. Okay, what is harvest? Harvest is the festival, or harvest is the time of the year when farmers gather their ripe crops from the fields and sell them. Example: Pongal, Onam, Bihu, Lohri. Next, fourth one. When and why do we celebrate Independence Day? We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th of August to celebrate our freedom. So here is the reason. So why we are celebrating Independence Day? So we got freedom from British rule. So we celebrate Independence Day. And when we are celebrating Independence Day, children? 15th August of every year we celebrate Independence Day. Okay. So these are the answer the following for the above questions. All of you write and read well, and read your textbook also apart from the classwork. So you will gain lot of knowledge and you can learn so much. So thank you so much, children. Complete your classwork and as well as textbook exercises and send for the correction. Thank you. Have a good day.